Hello there, Assalamu alaikum. A very good morning to all of you. Today is a very foggy morning. I can't see anything because of fog. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. I try to get up early in the morning. I usually get up at 6 a.m. Today, I get up at 6 a.m. Then I brush my teeth. After brushing my teeth, I have come here. After coming here, I am trying to make a video. English is very important for us because English is an international language. You know, our mother tongue is Bangla. So, English seems very difficult for us. If you want to learn English, you have to practice a lot. Thanks for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum.